Let's play! Which letter do you hear? B. B. Great! C. C. Good job! A. A. Nice! B. B. Well done! Choose the correct uppercase letter. C. Good job! B. Nice! A. Great! A. Smart! Well done! Wow! Find the similar letters. A. Great! C. Nice! B. Good job! Well done! Wow! Which letter do you hear? B. B. Great! A. A. Good job! C. C. Nice! A. A. Well done! Find the missing letter. Ball. B. Ball. Apple. A. Apple. Cat. C. Cat. Let's play! Let's drag the letters. D. 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 Good job! D. 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 Well done! Let's build the puzzle. Good job! D is for dog. Whee! Let's write the letters. D. D. Nice! Wow! D. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. Let's drag the letters. E, E, E. Nice. E, E, E. Well done. Wow! Let's build the puzzle. Smart! E is for elephant. Wow! Let's write the letters. E, E. Great! Nice! E, 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 E. Let's drag the letters. F, F, F. Great! F, F, F. Well done. Wow! Let's build the puzzle. Nice! F is for fish. Wow! Let's write the letters. F, F. Smart! Smart! F, 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 F. Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. E, E, D, 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 F, F, F. Well done. Which letter do you hear? D, D. Great! F, F. Good job! F, F. Nice! E, E. Well done. Choose the correct uppercase letter. F. Nice! Choose the correct uppercase letter. D. Great! Choose the correct uppercase letter. E. Great! Choose the correct uppercase letter. C. Good job! Well done! Whee! Find the similar letters. D. Good job! F. Nice! E. Smart! Well done! Whee! Which letter do you hear? F. F. Great! E. E. Good job! F. F. Nice! D. D. Well done! Find the missing letter. Dog. D. Dog. Egg. E. Egg. Fish. F. Fish. Cat. C. Cat. Let's play!